I'm going to show you how you can insert into Google Docs. So in here, just open the sheets file that you want to add into Google Docs. For example, I'm going to add this spreadsheet in here. So open it. So after it has been opened, you can just copy the link of the Google Sheets. And in here, go back to your Google Docs where you want to add the uh, spreadsheet and click on insert and choose link. So scroll down and tap on link, or you can use the Ctrl+K shortcut. And in here, just paste the link and click on apply. And just like that, the spreadsheet has been added into the Google Docs. So you can just click on this link to open it. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.